quick release plates are my favorite. Boom! With one move, the camera is out in your hand. What's going on everyone, Omahi, and in this video guys, we'll test 3 quick release systems here in my studio. And I hope this video helps in making your decision. First we get Manfrotto RC2, the new Zeapon Resolver quick release system, and the iFootage Seastars Q1. Certainly I don't believe the Arca Swiss is a quick release system because it takes a couple of seconds in the process when losing the knob, which is not the point here. Now starting with the RC2 quick release from Manfrotto. This system has been in the market for a long time and has proven to be reliable to a certain point. Although it works very well on my photography gear, it cannot carry such a heavy load, let's say sliders and big cameras. It starts to wobble, and indeed we don't want that to happen. And here it comes to check the other quick release options, Zeapon Resolver and the iFootage Seastars. So the two systems have different designs, however they make the job done. But there are remarkable features I like in the Zeapon Resolver more than the iFootage system. The first difference is the groove alignment. See here, Zeapon Resolver base has 6 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whereas the iFootage Seastar features only 3 of them. So what does it mean? With the iFootage Seastar, you can mount the plate in 3 directions only, while the Zeapon Resolver features 6 directions. Let's say we need to mount this tripod head. I put it here, but it doesn't attach until I shift my hand about 60 degrees, so the 3 holes here get in place. Although there are markers on the plate and the base as well, I'm sure in the set I will not look at them. I need something to be much quicker. Now Zeapon Resolver on the other hand features 30 degrees groove alignment, which make it half the way faster. Also see the holes right here? They match the same ones on the base. And the other major difference in my perspective is the plate design. The iFootage plate design is rounded and it doesn't help me so much to tighten it on a big surface, let's say on a slider, because there is no room for that, so you feel like it's not tightened. Therefore I need to fix it on a plate first and tighten it from here. But this is not the proper way that it should work. Now, removing the plate is nearly impossible because the grip, the rounded grip, doesn't help, and therefore I need to put it back on the base, shift it a little bit, take it off, and now I can remove the plate. Now, on the other hand, Zeapon doesn't share the same problem because simply there is a good grip for that, to loosen and tighten the plate normally. In addition, the Zeapon plate has a scratch-resistant silicone pad in order to avoid potential scratches on any gear. Unfortunately, when I mounted the iFootage plate on my slider and tightened it through the base, I got some scratches on the slider plate. Anyway, both systems offer high payload capacity, which make it possible to work with the sliders, gimbals, tripod heads, and cinema cameras. And both system plates feature 2-in-1 screws, 1/4 and the 3/8. Eventually, no conversion is required. I hope this video helped in making your decision, and I will keep the links of the gear I used down below, check them if you are interested. Now thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and bump the subscribe button for more camera gear reviews. This was Oma, and see you guys in another one.